Drinking coffee every morning does something to your body that most people don't know about. Here are 5 things happening inside you right now if you drink coffee daily. First, you're literally burning more fat. Coffee boosts your metabolism by up to 15%. Your body starts using fat as fuel more efficiently, even when you're just sitting there. Second, your brain gets sharper. Studies show coffee improves memory, focus, and reaction time. It's like upgrading your mental processing speed every morning. Third, you're fighting aging from the inside. Coffee increases blood flow to your skin, helping prevent wrinkles and age spots. That's why it's in so many expensive skincare products. Fourth, and this is wild, it's a natural painkiller. Got a headache? Coffee can actually reduce pain better than some over-the-counter medicines. The caffeine blocks pain signals to your brain. Fifth, you're protecting yourself from cancer. People who drink coffee daily have significantly lower rates of liver cancer and several other types. The antioxidants are literally fighting disease. How many cups do you drink daily? Tell me in the comments.